Alright, so this is a Glock, the most reliable brand of all handguns. These do not jam. They eat any brand of ammunition. Other guns are known to jam when you mess around with different brands of ammunition. So again, this is a Glock 45 Gen 5 chambered at 9mm. It is essentially the slide of a Glock 19 and the grip of a Glock 17. So that's going to be the full size grip, so you can get a better grip on it. It's going to be touching more of your palm. And then it has the long slide, the shorter slide, more compact slide of the Glock 19. So it's got a compact slide, perfect size in my opinion, with a full size grip, perfect size. So it doesn't leave part of your palm not touching anything. Glock's going to be the most reliable gun brand on the market. It can go out into the field. It can get a little dirty. It is very reliable, time tested. It's been through many tests. It has been through many scenarios. It also eats any ammunition that you put in it. It does not misfire, does not jam. It does what it is supposed to do. They are very, very easy to break apart and clean. They're very lightweight. This is a polymer lower half grip